Alma of the Airwaves and Lucky, the thirsty dog. It is afternoon actually. We're filming late because I had the most busy day. Okay, it is the 27th of February. It is Saturday. And today I participated in a webinar where an artist did teach us how to paint nothing else but Tom Thompson's famous black spruce in autumn. Okay, this is my production so far after laboring, I don't know, a few hours. No, you see part of the webinar. Tom Thompson is one of the most influential Canadian artists of the turn of the century. He was part of the so-called group of seven. He was not, although he died before it was established, but he's definitely one of these famous artists. He died very young, only 39. He drowned. That's what I say, although there is a lot of mystery around his death. But he died early and he left beautiful landscapes. I mean, most of them oil. You can always Google him. Thompson. No P, not Thompson, Thompson. Have a beautiful day and we will see you definitely tomorrow. Tomorrow is Sunday.
Hey everyone, welcome. We are starting. I am so sorry about that wait, by the way. I am Lisa from Artist Palettes, and we are here to do the Tom Thompson tribute painting. Thank you for your patience. Yeah, there was troubles, but I fixed it, and I just have such bad luck with technology, I swear. And I'm just reading through some of your messages, so if you need to do this later, it's 5 o'clock. Okay. Again, I'm just really sorry, but we can paint if you want to stick around, and you have the replay too, so if you want to refer to it later. Nice, Joanne. Mention the name throughout the entire thread. It is the black spruce in autumn for this painting. Tom Thompson. We did it in acrylic, but it is in oil originally. Not this one, it's just a remade kind of version in acrylic. Okay, thank you guys.
On the menu, Saturday, 2 beautiful salmon steaks with the infamous tarragon from Farm Boy. And ready. Okay, not only do we shop the rainbow, we cook it. I'm gonna grill these vegetables and look at these potatoes.